What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Midnight Forest Rain Basin. This is the 8-gallon and we currently have it mounted on the roof rack of this 23 Tundra here. This is a pretty good spot for it because on this one here there actually is a little port that you can open up on top, which will allow rainwater to go in there, so you could use it to collect rain and then utilize it to take showers or wash dishes or anything you want. And then what we have over here is the Midnight Forest Rain Flux. So this here is basically a compressor that will pressurize the water for you. It's pretty cool because you can connect your hoses that is provided with this, and it will come with this battery right here, which is like a drill battery. So you can recharge this. Obviously on the back here there's a little door you can open up, and then you'll slide that in, and then once it's in there you can flip it on and off. Once you have it mounted, whether it be on your roof rack or on the side of your bed rack or inside your bed on the rails, wherever you want it, grab this guy here. We're going to connect one end of the hose. What's really nice about these hoses as well is it is a quick connect. So on here, on our Rain Basin, we'll just slide it in. It'll click in like so, and then I'll turn the lever to allow water to flow into the Rain Flux. And then on the other end, I have just a standard garden hose that is also provided in the kit with the Rain Flux, and another quick connect that we'll put on the front side where the logo is, and you'll hear that click. And then what you need to do is just turn on the compressor, and then you'll be able to utilize this. And there's a lot of different features here. So we're currently in the shop here, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this on video, but we're shooting all the way across the shop there. So there's plenty of pressure, but if you're going to be using it to shower, obviously put it on shower, and you'll be able to run that there and take a shower. And since the water, the basin itself is black, and if you have this on the top of your vehicle, it'll kind of heat up with the sun outside, and then you'll be able to take a warm shower with that. So this is pretty cool, and this is great for anybody who wants to have onboard water with them wherever they're going, because I love having water with me all the time. I can't have more water than I ever wanted before, because on my last trip I took like 20 something gallons of water, and we used basically all of it by the end of the 2 days that we were there. So I love having water with me, especially if it's on board. This here is mounted on their quick connect or quick mounts that is lockable from the backside. So I'll plug in some install clips that we did, but basically we mounted this one to the roof rack crossbars and then slid it into the mount that it's provided, and then you'll be able to lock it as well. What's really nice about this too, this roof rack, it doesn't have a location for grab handles, but the Midnight Forest water basin has these nice grab handles here for the tank, but you can also use it to get onto your roof. So it's pretty handy. It has a really big fill connector or location here, so you can use that for garden hose, or if you want to do this for drinking water, it is rated to do that as well. And you can also move these around. So if you wanted the spigot on the other end over here, and then if you wanted to mount this tank up vertically, you can do that as well. But we decided to mount it horizontally, so that way if we wanted to collect the rainwater, we could do that with that that feature there. But we're going to go outside and show you guys how we have it mounted on our 24 Tacoma. So this here is our 24 Tacoma with the Rain Basin mounted to our bed rack. So you can mount this virtually anywhere really, as long as there's enough distance between the mounts, which is right between the handles here. So this is another 8-gallon. Like I said, I like the bigger gallon water tanks. So when you're ready to use it, you will open this cap here to allow the pressurizer to pressurize the tank. Flip that on, and then it's the same thing. you'll be able to have running water right away. So this is probably one of my newest favorite gear to have here. I love the shape of it. I like the design. I like the handles. I like that you can mount it to a bed rack or on top of a roof rack and just lay it flat and allow the rain collection to flow in here. It's a pretty small hole, so it would take a bit to fill up, but you know, it is there, and it's just another feature that you can definitely have with this, where other tanks on the market is just a fully sealed component, and you don't really have multiple ports like this one. This one, there's 2 fill ports. So there's one here and there's one on top as well. So if you wanted to mount it almost vertically, like how we have it here, you would use this one to fill. That way you can fill it all the way up to the top without losing some of that water. And then there's also a couple of different ports here and here. So we decided to put it in the back, so that way anything flying at the vehicle in the front won't damage that. And it's nice and hidden back here in the back here. And then don't forget to turn that off like we did and allow all the water to run out. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We will have this product on our website at runningfortacos.com, so you can purchase it there, and it's gonna ship the same whether you purchase it from us at runningfortacos.com or from them directly. You're gonna be supporting the company either way, whether that be directly through us or directly with them. So it's gonna be it. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel. We'll see you guys next time.